If you've been wondering how to try Claude for free, this video will walk you through the quickest and easiest way to get started. Claude is one of the most helpful AI assistants available right now, and the best part is that you can try it without entering a credit card. Whether you want to use it for writing, brainstorming, coding, or everyday questions, getting set up only takes a minute. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the official Claude website at To Claude.ai. Make sure you're using the official site so you know you're signing up safely. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to get started or sign in. From here, you can create your account using your email address, or you can continue quickly with Google or Apple. Choose whichever option is easiest for you. If you use email, just enter your details and follow the verification steps. If you use Google or Apple, Claude will connect your account and take you straight into the setup process. One of the biggest benefits here is that you do not need to add a credit card to start using Claude. That means you can test it out first, explore the interface, and see how it works before deciding whether you want to upgrade later. After signing in, you'll land in the Claude chat interface. This is where you can start typing prompts and asking questions right away. You can use Claude directly in your web browser, which is perfect if you're on a desktop or laptop and want to begin immediately. Just type your message into the chat box, press enter, and Claude will respond. If you prefer using Claude on your phone, you can also download the mobile app on iPhone or Android. Open the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android, search for Claude, and install the official app. Once installed, sign in with the same account you created on the website, and your conversations will be ready to use on mobile as well. This makes it easy to switch between devices and keep using Claude wherever you are. Now that you know how to try Claude for free, the next step is simply to experiment. Ask it to summarize text, draft an email, rewrite content, answer questions, or help you plan ideas. The more you use it, the faster you'll understand how powerful it can be. And if you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next AI walkthrough. Thanks for watching and enjoy trying Claude for free.